Next on Bunny's Garage, we're going to be reviewing this 4.5-inch angle grinder from Harbor Freight. Item number is 60625. I actually bought this on sale for, what is it, 14 bucks, something like that, $14, $17. And then I had to buy some cutoff wheels as well. Didn't come with any wheels that I could tell, so let's open this thing up. Comes with an instruction manual, but who needs those? Comes with the grinder itself. I read all the reviews on this thing. People seem to be happy with it. One guy was complaining that they didn't grease the gears inside very well, so he had to pop it open and re-grease some of the gears inside. Comes with a handle. Comes with a tool. Comes with a handle. Oh, it looks like it comes with new brushes as well. That's pretty cool. It didn't come with any discs, any cutting discs. That's kind of a bummer. That'd be nice if Harbor Freight would throw a disc in there. Throw me a freaking bone here. Just got the handle right there. On, off. So to get this off, you hold this button down. It locks this section into place so it doesn't move. Come in here with your tool. Pop that open. So like I said, you had to hold this down, get the tool, break it loose. It actually spins off counterclockwise. Get that free. Get a disc. Put it in place. Bring your locking collar back in. Start that by hand. Lock that down. Hold the red button on the back to hold it in place while I tighten it up. Alright, it's tight. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Then I'll get a piece of metal and we'll cut through it and see how quick it does. Okay, so you turn it on by pushing it up, and then when you want it to turn off, you just hit it right here on the very end. Shuts it back off. So always, 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 always use eye protection when you're welding or cutting or doing that kind of work. I know a guy who actually got steel in his eye from cutting a piece of exhaust pipe. He got an infection and he lost some vision in his eye. We'll do the cut right now. I'm going to use these safety glasses, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a shield as well. I'm going to double up because you can never be too safe when it comes to your eyesight. Don't mess around when it comes to your eyesight. I'm serious. I'm dead serious. It's not a yoke. No yoke. Well, cut that off. I'm not going to touch it. Well, that's pretty warm. Well, cut it. What is that? Half an inch? Took about, what, 5 minutes? 4 minutes? Grinder's a little bit warm. Not that bad. I'll do the other side, but I won't bore you with that. This is a decent angle grinder. Thumbs up for Harbor Freight. If you have found this video helpful or any of my videos helpful, please consider subscribing to Bunny's Garage on YouTube. Questions, comments, concerns, you can always reach out to me at bunnysgarage@gmail.com. You can follow me on Twitter. And like always, I'll keep them rolling for you.